Hello, did you know that ordinary washing machine tubs have holes? And water goes in and out of these holes. As a result, mold and dirt will form behind the tub and stick to laundry when water flows back in. Sharp's No Holes revolutionary tub solves the problem. You'll enjoy cleaner laundry, great savings, and it's gentler on your clothes. No Holes is cleaner. You'll enjoy not only cleaner clothes but better hygiene too. Because no mold or dirt can form behind the tub and flow back inside, leaving your laundry super clean. No Holes saves water. With Sharp's No Holes tub, you'll enjoy incredible water savings, while ordinary tubs with holes waste water. This is because more water is needed to fill the outer tub. With Sharp No Holes tub, water does not flow into the outer tub, saving you as much as 30% water at every wash. No Holes is gentler on clothes. Ordinary washing tubs with holes may damage your clothes. Sharp No Holes tub has a smooth surface and it takes better care of your clothes while washing. But how efficiently does it wash? Sharp's unique and advanced features ensure a more effective, cleaner wash. And how does water escape without holes? Water is dispersed via a unique angled tub shape that helps generate strong centrifugal force. And you'll also enjoy absolute peace of mind with our Japan Quality 7 Shields. Find out more from the friendly sales advisor now. The new No Holes washing machine from Sharp.